school rules around the world. Rules, rules, rules. All schools have rules, but they are not always the same. In some countries, students have to wear a uniform, but in others, they don't. Some schools have got very tough rules, and some schools have got strange rules. Let's find out what school rules are like in England and Kazakhstan.
Rules in England. My school has a lot of rules. We have to wear uniforms. We must switch off mobile phones during lessons. We mustn't run in corridors. We can bring a packed lunch or buy food from the school canteen if we need to. We can't leave school during lessons.
Rules in Kazakhstan. Here in Kazakhstan, we also have a lot of rules to follow. We must be in school by 8:30 a.m. and we mustn't be late. We should be polite to teachers, each other, and visitors. We mustn't use mobile phones and other electronic equipment during lessons. We need to keep our classrooms clean and tidy.
What other school rules can you think of? Why do you think they are important?